From a generation that's cut the cord to families that share everything, the way we watch, listen, and communicate has fundamentally changed. So why shouldn't your home theater experience change with it? That's why we designed AMP for the iPad Air and iPad Pro. AMP transforms your iPad into a portable entertainment system. Imagine a drive-in movie experience with your kids in the backyard, or a Sunday afternoon Skype with Grandma where the whole family can get involved thanks to stereo sound. The AMP is all about shared experiences, and our design tenets from the ground up have been about what you need most. Our experts have spent years researching, engineering, and testing AMP to make sure the final product is perfect. AMP brings exceptional audio quality with deeper lows and crisper highs. Unlike other Bluetooth speakers, AMP delivers true stereo sound and spatial imaging. With AMP, your movies and music sound the way they were always meant to be heard. Change the angle for optimal viewing, turning your iPad into a movie theater, or for ease of use to type and interact with apps. For those without an iPad, AMP is still for you. Advanced Bluetooth 4.0 technology lets you connect any Bluetooth-enabled device to the speakers for maximum enjoyment and flexibility. Our mission from the start has been to deliver a truly unique shared experience that you don't get with other Bluetooth speakers. And we think no matter who you are, you'll find something to love about AMP. Joy is meant to be shared, and AMP gives you the ability to connect with your family and your friends anytime, anywhere, or treat yourself to a high-quality experience on your own. Visit us on Indiegogo for more details and to pre-order yours today. Thank you.
Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors. You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3 BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in Ultraloq app through Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In Ultraloq app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety. Please back up today on Indiegogo.
You interact with your phone every day more than any other object or person. For most of us, it's the first thing we wake up to and the last thing we look at. So why not make your day that little bit easier? That's the inspiration for creating the original ASAP Connect cable to improve your relationship with your phone. The positive reaction to ASAP Connect gave us a strong following of backers with hundreds of suggestions for improvement. These backers are at the forefront of our innovation, and through listening to each and every one of them, we've been able to create a new and improved cable. The biggest request we received by far is for a cable that is cross-device compatible, meaning one cable for all your phones and tablets. This will prevent all that fighting in the home and car over who gets to keep their cables plugged in and reduces cable clutter. The other major request is a cable that is compatible with a USB-C. With USB-C quickly becoming the standard for all USB devices, this is a crucial innovation. We've designed ASAP-X Connect to be backwards compatible with the USB-C tip that we're currently developing. We've also increased the strength of the magnet over 33% to now hold over 400 grams. It's strong enough now to even hold an iPad Air. We get a lot of people who want to see ASAP-X Connect in an unedited real-life setting. So we've made this video just to show you its simplicity. It is very easy to plug this tip into an S7, very secure, and it's also very easy to unplug the tip. And now we're going to do the same with an iPhone, which is also very secure, and it's also very easy to unplug. Now once we plug it back in, we're going to show you the magnetic strength here of this cable. It can hold an iPhone, absolutely no problems. And now we're going to show you the same cable there, showing you the cross compatibility there of being able to connect the same cable onto an S7. And now for the finale, we are going to connect it onto an iPad, very nice and easily there. And these magnetic cables are designed to hold 400 grams. An iPad Air version 1 is actually about 437 grams, but it can just hold it and even give it a bit of a swing. Using the ASAP-X Connect cable every day has been an absolute life changer for me. It seems so silly that something so seemingly insignificant like a magnetic cable can change your life. But when you think of the countless times you interact with your phone on a day-to-day basis, it makes sense how crucial your relationship with your mobile phone affects not only your productivity, but your happiness. We've put so much thought into the latest design, and I think backers will really appreciate how life-changing it is when they get their hands on it. We're excited to finally create a cable that improves your relationship with your phone and USB devices.
Meet Gary, Wire's best friend. We get tired of tangled earphones in our pockets. So we searched for a way to keep them organized, and we realized there is nothing in the market that can fulfill our needs. We decided to make a winder that is sleek, compact, and easy to use. So after a few prototypes, we came up with the perfect solution. We made Gary for active people just like us, who don't have a spare minute to fight with these annoying wires and want easy access on the go. We've got everything set up for production, and now it's when you come in. Please, help us bring Gary to life and into pockets. Say yes to earphone freedom and no to tangled wires. Gary, your wait is over.
We've entered the age of personal manufacturing, but when it comes to making durable things in your own shop, there's still no easy way to cut hard materials.
As makers and engineers, we need to work with all materials, so we built a machine that could, the first desktop water jet.
WAZER works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
It's great for any workshop. It cuts every material, it's compact and contained, and it's digital, so you can make precise cuts that are impossible to make any other way.
As an industrial designer, I've used a variety of desktop fabrication tools, but they tend to be very limited by the durability of the materials you can use on those machines. With a desktop water jet, we can go from design to component to fitting that component and testing within a couple of hours. That's an incredibly powerful tool.
As a jeweler and an artist, with the work I make, I spend a lot of time hand cutting. So right now I'm selling pieces sort of as almost limited edition because I can't physically output them, not because I want to be making in a limited edition. WAZER would allow me to not only make a lot more, but also to lower the price point so they'd be available to a broader audience.
I think, people tend to have their ideas constrained by their tools and the things they're capable of working with. And having a water jet cutter, which has the ability to cut a broader range of materials, hard materials like steel and glass, will be enabling and make them think in different ways and have them build different things they couldn't build before.
The future of manufacturing is in custom local fabrication. People will be able to make things in their own workshop that they can use every single day and will last a lifetime.
As mechanical, electrical, and manufacturing engineers, we've designed products, manufactured components, and set up assembly lines in the past.
Now we're preparing for production, but we need enough orders to produce the machines cost-effectively.
We've created a unique desktop tool, and we're really looking forward to all the amazing things that people create with it.